Good morning, students. Today I would like to explain the topic shear from the unit number 1, geometric transformation of the subject solid modeling and drafting. Shear means, or there are two types of shear, means shear along x direction and shearing along y direction. Shearing means what? There is a transformation caused due to the image. We have slant images, and if we have to consider y shear, then it preserves the all x coordinates values and but shifts the values of y. That is, y values shifted, and the amount of change in the y value depend upon the x position. For example, here if we consider y shear or y-axis shear, then for example, suppose this consider one rectangle. Suppose this one is rectangle, and this rectangle is shear. Suppose this rectangle is shear up to this. It's sheared along y-axis. Suppose this one is y-axis and this one is x-axis. So shearing along y direction means what? The x distance. This one is the x distance. X distance is constant, but it varies to y distance. This distance is along y direction. The distance varies along y direction. It is nothing but y shear. And x shear means x axis along x axis shear. When shearing is occurred along x axis, y axis, here it is x axis. When shearing occurs along x direction, the transform rectangle is like this. Suppose this rectangle is transformed to a new rectangle by using x-axis shear. So in this case, y distance, this y distance is constant. This y distance is constant, and the distance along x direction that varies. That varies. That is called as x-axis shear. So these are the two important types of shear, that is x-axis shear and y-axis shear. So we'll take one by one in detail. So first of all, we have to consider along y direction, and before that we have standard equation for shear, that is equal to P dash is equal to P into SH. This equation is nothing for this equation is what? Shear. That is transformation along y-axis is nothing but P dash is equal to P into SH. Here SH shear. So here we consider y shear or shearing along y-axis, and for y-axis shear, this equation is common for y-axis as well as x-axis shear. That is, P dash is equal to P into SH, where P dash new point P horizontal point into SH shear. So here the shear, how to consider this shear value by using a matrix 1 0 A 1. Here we have to consider shear as 1 0 and A 1 A and 0 1. Here we have to consider shearing as 1 A 0 1, where A is the shear amount, that is amount of shear. A is nothing but amount of shear. Okay, here let us consider one example, simple example of y-axis shear. I just draw a simple diagram representing the y-axis shear for a rectangle. Suppose like this. Now to consider a rectangle. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and suppose this one is 6. So here 0, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and this 30. And along y direction is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. Okay. Here we consider the distances along x and y direction. Suppose this one is y axis and horizontal is suppose x axis. Here the distances are 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. Here we have to consider example of rectangle. Okay. Suppose the rectangle having coordinates A, B, C, and D. That we have to consider here. The coordinates 5, A as 5, 5, B as 5, 10, 5, 10, then C as 15, 10, and D as 15, 5, 15, 5. That we have to transform these points on this graph. That is A point is 5, 5 is here. Represent down A point 5, 5. B point 5, 10. Suppose this one is B. X is 5 and Y is 10. This one is B 5, 10. C 15. X is 15 and Y is 10. C 15, 10, and D 15, 15 and 5. D is the number 15, 5, and we have to join all 4 points. Okay. So here we have to transform this rectangle to new one by using shearing, that is y-axis shear. So here we have to consider this figure is for y shear by 1.5. Y shear by 1.5. So amount of shear we are given as 1.5, that is A is equal to 1.5. So students, let us solve this simple example of y-axis shear. So we have equation for shear, that is P dash is equal to P into SH. P into SH. Here we have to consider rectangle A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. That is equal to A, B, C, D into SH. SH means shear. That is how to consider shear along y direction. So here SH shear 1A01. 1A01. That is the standard equation of shear, that is equal to SH1A. Amount of shear it is given as 1.501. Okay. So here our formula or equation becomes this A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, that is equal to A, B, C, D. These points are 5, 5, 5, 10, then 15, 10, 15, 10, and 15, 5, 15, 5 into SH here is 1.501. Okay, so let us solve this 1.501. How to solve this matrix? So how to solve? So by performing multiplication. Okay, so here just I write down this one into 1.501. Here it is multiplication. This ABCD into shear, that is amount of shear. So here A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, that is equal to this 5 into 1, 5 into 1, then 5 into plus 5 into 0, plus 5 into 0. First term, and second term 5 into 1.5, 5 into 1.5 plus 5 into 1.5 plus 5 into 1.5 or 5 into 1.5 plus 5 into 1. 5 into 1. First, this row into this column. Okay. Second row, then again first column, that is 5. This 5 into 1 plus 10 into 0. This 5 into 1 plus 10 into 0. And for second, 5 into 1.5. 5 into 1.5 plus this 10 into 1 plus 10 into 1. Then third 3rd row, first column 15. 15 into 1, this 15 into 1 plus 10, this 10 into 0. Second element is 15 into 1.5 plus 10 into 1 plus 10 into 1. And last 15 is fourth row, first column 15. This 15 into 1, 15 into 1 plus 15 into plus 5 into 0. And second is 15 into 1.5, 15 into 1.5 plus 5 into 1. So next step, 5 into 1. Next step is here matrix. It's A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. This one d dash d dash d dash. That is equal to this 5 plus 0. Here it is 7.5 plus 7.5 plus 5. Here it is 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0. 7.5 plus is 10. Here it is 15 plus 0. Here it is 7.5 plus 7.5 plus 10. Okay, sorry. Here it is 22.5 plus 10. This one is 15 plus 0, and here 7.5, sorry, 22.5 plus 5. 22.5 plus 5. And finally, a new series for rectangle. A dash, B dash, C dash. It is transform rectangle. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. That is equal to this 5 plus 0 is 5. 7.5 plus 5, 12.5. Here is 5. 17.5. 15. 32.5. Here is 15 again, and here 27.5. 5 12.5, 5 17.5, 15 32.5, 15 27.5. And finally, the new coordinates for transform rectangle is a dash is 5, 12.5, b dash 5, 17.5, c dash 15, 32.5, and d dash 15, 27.5. That you have to transform this new coordinates of transform rectangle. A dash 5, x is 5, and y is 12.5. Means here, somewhat here middle point. This middle point is our a dash. That is 5, 12.5. Here a dash. B dash x is 5 and y is 17. Means somewhat here 17. This point and here is 17. B dash is 5, 17.5. This point, this and this. These 2 points here and here. Okay, this and c dash 15. X is 15 and y is 32.5. Okay, 32.5. Somewhat here 32. This point 15, 32.5 is our c dash. 15, 32.5, and d dash 15. X is 15, y is 27.5. Somewhat here d dash 15, 27.5. That is how to join these 4 points so that get new transform rectangle, that is sharing along y-axis. This rectangle is transformed to a new position, that is sharing along y-axis. X distance for both rectangle is same. Here only the y distance of this straight line is transformed to the new slant edge or slant line, that is called as shearing along one direction. That is the concept of shearing along or y shear by amount. Here factor of amount of factor is 1.5. This is the simple example of shearing along one direction. And in next lecture, consider to take next example of shearing, that is shearing along x-axis, that is x-axis shear by amount 1.5 cent. Okay, thank you.